Good evening, I am Ragavan from Apex Laboratories. This press meet is for Clevira. Clevira is approved by AYUSH Ministry as a supportive measure for mild to moderate COVID-19 indication. This product was launched in the year 2017 and it got approval for clinical trial in 2020, and in 2020 the clinical trial was done at Omandurar Govt Estate Chennai on 100 patients. The results were very promising. On the 5th day of the clinical trial, 86% of the patients in Clevira group turned negative, and within 4.1 days, the symptoms like fever, cough and breathing difficulty has come down, and the product also for Clevira is found to improve lymphocytes and WBC, which is found to have immunomodulatory effect. Clevira also reduced ESR count, so it is found to have anti-inflammatory effect. More importantly, Clevira is devoid of side effects. That is, liver and kidney parameters were tested and it's found to be very, very safe. And according to the clinical trial report, this drug can be given as a prophylaxis for primary contacts as well as for healthcare workers. This report was submitted to AYUSH Ministry in 2020 July, and then we got the approval in the month of July 2021 as a supportive measure for mild to moderate COVID-19. This is the journey of Clevira. Please pass on the benefits to the human population across India to reduce disease transmission, to reduce mortality, to improve quality of life. Thank you very much.